Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of Magento. In the previous video, I told you about the how we are going to continue with the ratings part, right? So I'm coming up with the new video, how to add the ratings in the Magento 2. So let's get started. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get see how we are going to implement this one. So here we have the ratings part. So here we have the review final data where we have to pass the ratings 1, 2, 3. That's to be the here we have the ratings part. Give me a second. Here we have the ratings system stores rating. Okay, so here we have the ratings parameter. Give me a second. So here we have the ratings parameter. Go to the stores rating. We have the price, quality, and the value. So we have 3, 1, and 2. Okay, so here we have the ratings for that part. Nickname, title, detail we have already discussed in the previous one, where we have the review part. Then we are setting all the product id, product details, status, approved, stores id, and the save. After saving this, we are just looping out this rating part and option id and just creating the rating factory. Set the rating id, set review id, and option vote. After doing this, just add reviews aggregate and it will add the review rating. So let's see, is it working or not? These dependency injections you need to pass review factory and review store manager. Okay, these three things you need to add. After adding this, let's see running this code what happens. So I'm going to add this here where we have this code. Now reload this and we have an undefined variable store manager. Let's have a look where what is the issue in that. Store manager. Okay, store manager is not there, so we are going to pass it by the id1 and the set the stores to be set stores we don't require. Store id would be the, or by default it can make it to be 1. Okay, so let's save it and run it. Store manager, where I have added over more store manager. Store manager is there. So here I have forget to add the store manager, right? So let me remove the store manager because I'm not using this. We need to remove the cache. PHP bin magento cache cache flush. Okay, so let's see ratings and review added. Let's have a look which product we have added. The test 2 product. Okay, so the way is test 2. Here we have the test. I think it's approved already. So excellent product. So here we have the excellent product. I think we have added the excellent product, right? But the reviews rating on part is not showing. Let's see why it's not showing over here. So let's go for the rating. Is it enable or disable? We have to check this part. Stores rating. Then we have rating is all active. Please specify the rating for the title store for your just default value. Visibility, main website is active. Yes, save rating. Default store, save rating, value, default store, save rating. Okay, so we have saved the ratings. Let's move to the next one. We have the reports, we have the products, then we have our show reviews, create review programmatically, excellent products, guest user. Okay, you can see that summary rating is this one. Now we are on the value and this one quality is there, summary rating is there. So if I go and check this ad and save the ratings, so let's see how it's showing up. The test 2. Now you can see that the price. Okay, we have add the multiple times quality, value, value. Okay, let's move. Add one more. Okay, so here we have adding the product 3, the same one for the product 3 ID. Let's see. Save this and reload this part. And this is for the product. Which one? Let's go and check the last product. It is test. There should be a test 3, and here we have the test 3 product. You can see that price, excellent product, quality, and this one. So this is how we are able to add the ratings on the behalf of it also. So if you have any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.